If you're a real estate agent, you already know commissions can be unpredictable. Some months you're killing it, other months, crickets. That's why smart agents diversify their income with side hustles that don't just bring in cash, but they also help their main business. Today I'm breaking down 11 side hustles that real estate agents can start, most with low investment, some even passive, and all designed to fit alongside your real estate career. So let's jump in. First one is real estate photography and videography. If you already know what makes a property look Instagram worthy, why not get paid for it? Many agents struggle with listing photos, and instead of relying on expensive photographers, you could offer a budget-friendly service. So how to start this? You invest in a solid camera or even a phone gimbal for smooth video walkthroughs. Offer basic listing photos or drone shots if you can. Charge $150 to $500 per listing. It's easy money for a 1-hour shoot. If you already create content, this is the perfect add-on. Some agents even create YouTube listing tours for their colleagues and charge a fee. Number 2, property staging and home design. Not every seller can afford a full-on staging, but many would pay for a consultation. If you have a good eye for home aesthetics, you could offer quick DIY staging tips for $100 to $300 per session. You could do virtual staging using software like Canva or Photoshop, renting out basic staging items like couches, arts, and rugs. Staging increases home value, so sellers are willing to invest, especially in higher-end markets. Number 3, Airbnb Co-Hosting or management. If you've ever helped clients buy investment properties, why not manage them too? Airbnb hosts are always looking for someone to help handle guest check-ins, coordinate cleaning and maintenance, or even optimize pricing for maximum profit. Typical income? You can do 10 to 30% of a booking fee. If a property makes $3,000 per month, you can pocket $300 to $900 per unit. And once you build a system, it's mostly passive. This also gives you an inside look at short-term rentals, making you even more valuable for investors and clients. Number 4, creating and selling real estate templates. Agents constantly need buyer and seller guides, open house flyers, lead magnet PDFs, social media templates. Instead of creating them from scratch every time, sell them as a digital download on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. Income potential? $10 to $50 per template. Sell 100 per month and you've got a solid side income. Number 5, writing for real estate blogs or newsletters. If you know the market inside and out, why not get paid to write about it? Real estate blogs, local newspaper, and investor websites, they need market insight, home buying tips, neighborhood spotlights. This pay varies, but many writers earn $100 to $500 per article, and once you have a solid portfolio, you can charge even more. I would start by writing on your own site. Not only can you monetize with ads and affiliates, but it also helps you attract clients. Which leads you to number 6, affiliate marketing for home products and services. You already recommend home inspectors, mortgage lenders, and moving companies. Why not get paid for the referrals? You can join an affiliate program for home services, security systems, movers, furnitures, DIY home improvement brands, real estate software, and CRMs. An example is if a company pays $50 for a referral and you send 10 clients per month, that's $500 in passive income. And if you want a list of affiliate marketing sites, you can check out my video here. Number 7, real estate coaching or online courses. If you've been in the game for a while, new agents would love to learn from you. You can offer one-on-one coaching for $100 to $500 per session, a group mastermind for $50 to $200 per month, a self-paced course on marketing, negotiations, or lead generation. Online courses can be a huge income stream. Platforms like Teachable let you sell once and earn forever. If this is the side hustle for you and you need help creating your digital product, you can check out this video here. Number 8, virtual assistants for other agents. Not every agent wants to handle paperwork, listing descriptions, or CRM updates. If you're organized and tech savvy, you can manage their emails, their social media, you can update their MLS listings, handle transaction coordination. Typical pay, $20 to $50 per hour, and you can work with multiple agents and scale fast. If you specialize in something high demand like TikTok marketing for agents, you could also charge them even more. And number 9, real estate YouTube channel. Video is king in real estate, and a YouTube channel is both a marketing tool and an income stream. Some content ideas are local market updates, home buying guides, neighborhood spotlights, reaction videos to real estate trends. And once you're monetized with 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours, you can start making money with ads. Be sure to add affiliate links, and you can even do sponsorship posts, which can generate $200 to $1,000 per video once you grow. Even with a small audience, you can make $500 to $5,000 per month in extra income. Number 10, house hacking and real estate investing. If you're already helping clients buy homes, why not get in the game yourself? Buy a duplex or a triplex and rent out the other units. Live in a home for a year, then turn it into a rental. This isn't instant money, but real estate wealth builds over time. Even owning one rental property can bring in $500 to $2,000 per month in cash flow. And number 11, luxury picnic and event hosting. This one's a little outside the box, but hear me out. Luxury picnics and micro events are booming on Instagram and Airbnb experiences, and your target market, high-end buyers and sellers. If you're already working in luxury real estate, this is the perfect side gig to build relationships while making money. Some of the services you can offer are curated backyard luxury picnics, which are $200 to $500 per event, staging special occasions, proposals, anniversaries, home-hosted cocktail parties for buyers and sellers. This can double as a networking tool. Many luxury agents use social events to meet high net worth clients. There you have it, 11 legit side hustles for real estate agents. Some are passive, some are quick cash, but all of them can help diversify your income while building your real estate career. Which side hustle sounds most interesting? Or do you already have a real estate side hustle? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more.